Hindi mo na maayong ako. Nilugaw mo na ako. That's the third floor roof deck. That's our reservoir. Tanks. Ang tangke para sa tubig. Little gate. Sa mga kadaga. My little janitor. His name is Iguana. This is the customer's toilet. That one there. And that's the newly finished pavement. Mayo kay ano ka, magamap. Sino man nagsugo sa imo? Ano? Owning or shutter. This is the restaurant side. And that's the apartment upstairs, about 5 bedroom. That's the internet cafe there. And this is the mini grocery. And this is the sliding gate. Yeah, it's all around pavement now. This is tiled pavement. That's the piece of Wi-Fi. Look at that. That's the direction how to connect to the PC Wi-Fi. That's the Pinoy Brito FW PC Wi-Fi and internet cafe. Opening time. We're browsing games, air fun while you play. Xerox colored black and white. Print out from email. PC Wi-Fi anytime from Wi-Fi distance 150 meters. Kali hibok-hibok sa Ramar extension sa kaya. Okay. Pang ano? Pang YouTube. Pang YouTube. We're going to put some steel from here so that we can park our car. See, look. There's pavement there already.